Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am talking about the NYX Ombre lip color in Peaches and Cream by NYX. And let's see if there's anything about this company. It just says NYX Cosmetic Ombre Lip Duo in Peaches and Cream. Apply directly, starting with the edges of the lip liner. Line your lips to fill the outer edges of your lips. Next, coat your lips with the lipstick, beginning at the center of your lips, blending outward. Blend where the edges meet the lip with a brush for a seamless ombre look. Now, I don't know what side of this is the liner or... Oh yeah, look at that. It's cruelty-free, which is great. I don't know which one is the liner and which one is the lipstick. So what I think I'm going to do is go with the more red color, as the red color is more of the lip liner, and the lighter color as the fill-in, which is the peach, and I'm guessing the red is the cream. I don't know. It doesn't really tell you. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to use this red one. Let's do a little nice kind of, you can see that pout on camera. Oh, so that won't be lined. So do a nice liner and then go in and fill in with the lighter color and blend it so that the two colors come together. I don't particularly understand this product. I guess to me it's just like using two different lip liners to kind of come up with a confused color. I don't know what color you would call that. I guess peach? Well, yeah, I guess this is Peaches and Cream. So, yeah, it's a peach. Doesn't seem to lie well on the skin. Nothing super fantastic about this, but it is pretty. I did try it on my lip. It looked nice. On the hand, not so much. But you see that it has potential. If you apply it the right way, it will set the right way and it'll look the right way. So you don't have to worry that it's not going to look good. But it will give you an ombre effect, which is fun. And NYX, I believe, is made in Los Angeles. They're cruelty-free, which we like, yay. And Los Angeles via Amsterdam is what it looks like. So this is just, I've never come across an ombre lip duo. That's why I had to get it, because I thought it might be fun. But there's other ways to do an ombre lip with your lip, which is just by using a lighter color over a darker color, or just blending them in to have a darker color on the outside and a lighter color on the inside. You can go ahead and do that. So no particular sparks or fireworks for this product. I think it's okay. If these are your colors, then this is your jam. This is not necessarily my colors. I probably would just stick with the reddish color. I would just use the reddish color all over my lips, or use it as a lip liner, because that's my jam. That's more of what I wear. Orange, I don't touch too much. But yeah, now that I'm looking at it, the red is the lip liner and the orange is the lipstick. Now if you want to wear something for Halloween, there you go. There's an orange lipstick that you can take advantage of. So, but yeah, so if this is your jam, go for it, try it. I'm going to give it a 3.5 stars out of 5. I will use the red part definitely for lip liner because I wear a lot of red lipstick. But other than that, not completely blown away, but it's not horrible. So, like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.